Ew, I sound so gross. So, I just got over being sick. Like, I was sick from Wednesday to Saturday. Even now, it's Sunday, and I'm still, like, absolutely, you know, getting over nearly dying. I had gotten, like, strep or something. I don't even know. Went to the doctor, and I got tested for strep strand A, and they, like, came back negative, but there's, like, 5 different strands. So they're like, we can take your results and, like, send them off to a doctor, but it's gonna take 2 to 3 days to get, like, the results back. And I was like, no. So they just put me on, like, antibiotics, and I took 1 day worth, and, like, I still feel so much better. And so, yeah, I need to take that medicine. I got some NyQuil, you know, well, on my brain, and some Aleve. But today, that doesn't matter because whatever. But today, I'm gonna show y'all, and that's so cute, that's me. My twists are, like, in desperate need of retouching. So, yeah, I'm walking around my entire room, like, for what? I really just need to give y'all, like, a overview of my room. So, basically, I go to University of North Texas. I just moved into, like, I have a 4-bedroom apartment. I have 3 roommates. They're awesome. I actually really enjoy them. And I just redid my room, so, like, let me show y'all what it looks like. So this is my front door, so I'm gonna walk over here. And this is my closet. It's pretty big. I mean, like, for, like, it's 2 doors. Let me close that. I just bought that Dooney bag from Buffalo Exchange. So cute. I got that Kenneth Cole one from thrift store. $8. So cute. My bathroom. My bed. It's so gross. Like, just dismiss that. I just got up. I got that $15 off Groupon. Yes, ma'am. My little side table. I went shopping, as you can see. Just my little TV setup. This is my desk. It's kind of gross. What's up? But yeah, so I have, like, the 2 mirrors. Beautiful, whatever. As for my bathroom, it's my bathroom. What up, y'all? So yeah, so I have, like, my little, like, brushes and stuff set up right there. My hair stuff, some more hair stuff, medicine. The stuff over here, I have, like, hair ties and stuff in there. I have jewelry in that second drawer, and the bottom drawers have, like, just micro straightener in there. That one has, like, tissue and stuff. My makeup's up all on top of this hoe. You know, cute. And, of course, the spray, because people be staying up the bathroom. So, that's just a little tour of my room. Welcome. Oh, yeah, I do have these curtains, and they are sheer. This window is fucking huge. I don't understand, but they are sheer because I will not get up in the morning. Like, it won't happen. Like, it will not happen. So, they're 2 black, and there's a pineapple one on the inside. The pineapple one is actually a shower curtain, and I made it. Not really made it because it already has, like, the holes at the top, but I'm using it as curtains, like, because it's so much cuter, and I couldn't find a pineapple curtain. So that is my room. Okay, so I'm on these last 3. Boom, bang, bang. I could not tell you how long it took me to do these. Probably like an hour, but I was bullshitting the whole time, you know. I had to go pick up. So yesterday when I got my prescription from CVS after I went to the doctor, I took it in my roommate's room, and I left it in there, and she didn't come until like 4 o'clock in the morning. She was knocked out until about like 30 minutes ago, so I was banging on her door, you know. I had to go get my prescription from her room, and then I had to, I don't know, I'm bullshitting. Text people this morning, you know, do my thing. Okay, so, untwist it. Here's my real hair right here. Take some of this Murray's, get on my finger, kind of like massage it, and just like rub it. Like, you see how I'm making the hair literally like into like a straight line. It's gonna want my hair super curly, so that's how you know I'm like putting a bunch of pomade on here. Because, yes. Then I just take the 2 pieces, I put them with, you know, 2 strands, and I just start twisting. And then I take like the little, I don't know if I can see. So take the little piece and like kind of tuck it. Same thing here. Here's my little piece. And I tuck it underneath into the hair, kind of and then I just keep twisting, 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 twisting. Okay. So that's all twisted out. Beautiful. Whenever it gets to the ends, like this half is thicker than like this one piece I have, so I'll like break my thicker piece into like half kind of, and like so they have like an even out, just so the twist is even like from top to bottom, and it blends a lot easier at the ends. Yo, I'm so oily. You'll see it looks like I have highlighter on, but I don't because I'm that oily. Okay, perfect. So there's one. Deux, trois. That's French, just BTW. I'm in elementary French. I actually studied like 3 years of French in high school. And then I took French. So at North Texas, you have to take 4 semesters of French. I mean, not French specifically, but 4 semesters of a foreign language. So, and I just transferred here, like, thinking I was good. Because I came from AC when you only need 1 foreign language. 1 semester, you only need 1 semester of foreign language. No, they want you to take 4 semesters here. So, I gotta take, you know, 4 semesters of foreign language. Oh, God. I know, I'm totally... That's my mint telling me how much I spent this week. I know it's a lot because I got my refund check and the girl was balling out. Okay, so same thing. I gelled it down. Oh, my hair. That's gross. Okay, so by the way, this hair is easy braid hair. This is my 2nd or 3rd style that I've done with this hair, like the same bags. Like, you know, a lot of braiding hair. Sorry, y'all. I'm just like tucking, you know, you see that little piece into this strand and like wrapping the hair around it and then twisting. But yeah, so this is like my 3rd style using the easy braid hair. I think it's like $1.99 per pack. That's what I use. I use it because it's super easy to work with. It does not tangle, at least not as bad as like Expressions or Kankle hair. And you can use it for multiple like hairstyles. Obviously, like, look at me. It's my 3rd one. But yeah, it's just super soft and easy to work with, and it's not like, it's super inexpensive. I think like next I'm gonna do like a wig. Honestly, like, my boyfriend does not want me to get a wig at all, but sew-ins are just so high maintenance. I've had like 3 of them, 4 of them, you know, same hair. Got my hair from She's Happy, and that shit was fucking expensive. Like, I spent like $300 on 3 bundles, I think. And so, and they weren't even like long. They were like 14, 16, 18. And I spent like $250 or something. So yeah, I spent a lot of money. And yeah, I just was like, I don't know. And just for like a lot of maintenance, like, I was also red when I had them. And so like that's also a lot of maintenance in itself, going red. And so whenever you're ready, you gotta dye your hair every like 2 weeks and everything. And I don't have time for that. I don't. So I'll probably, like, I took, this is my natural hair color, by the way. Not the blonde, obviously, but the brown that I have going on right now. I worked very hard to get to this color. I dyed my hair since I was 16. I'm 21 now. I have not seen my natural hair color since I was 16. It's my first time since I was 16 seeing my natural hair color. So it's a first. I worked very hard for this, and so, but my hair's still kind of short. Like, it's in that weird like in between phase where like it's not really like long, but it's not short, and it's not really like cute, but it's not ugly. It's just like there. And so I want it to be long, so I'm just waiting. I'm doing a whole bunch of, that's why I do like protective styles like this on it and stuff, because I want it to grow. I'm not trying to like touch it and put heat to it or anything. And so yeah, it's just kind of like where I'm at in my hair journey. So yeah, so I just got done twisting all of my hair. So cute. So this is my hair when it's finished. If y'all want to see like an installation video, let me know. If you want to see a wig video, like my first like wig experience, I can do like a vlog because I think that's what I'm gonna get next, to be honest with you, as a wig. Or if you just, you know, just want to see more of my life, like as a college student, even like today I'm about to crank out a bunch of freaking homework because I've been sick and I've been trying to avoid not trying, but I have been avoiding homework because I just haven't felt good enough to like sit down and do it. And so like if you just want to see more of my life, like me going to class, me just, you know, living my daily life with my, you know, friends and stuff, like just let me know, because I mean, I don't have that many friends here because I just transferred here, but I do things, I get out, you know, on occasion. So just let me know. Thank y'all so much for watching. Yeah, hopefully, I know that wasn't very in-depth, but hopefully that helps you, again, as far as like keeping, because I'm mixed and my hair is like super soft, so that was just like a quick little hair, you know, shindig thing. And I'm really trying to get like my YouTube like off the ground because I really need to invest more time into it. And so like if anybody has any suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. That helped me so much. Y'all make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit that thumbs up, and thank y'all for watching, and tune in next time. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to post content like weekly. I don't know if it'll be like 2 videos a week, 3 videos, 1 video, whatever, but weekly, like at least 1 a week. So stay tuned, keep watching, give me suggestions, yes please. So thank y'all for watching, and please subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.